Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing footage and the project so Chroma Key works reliably. Choose a solid green or blue backdrop and light it evenly. Shadows make keying harder. Once recorded, import your green screen clip and the replacement background into Clipchamp, then create a new project with the correct resolution and aspect ratio. Drag the background onto the timeline first, then place the green screen clip on the track above it. This immediate layout ensures you see the composite as you work and confirms alignment before keying. You now apply and refine the Chroma Key to remove the backdrop. Select the green screen clip, open Effects and choose Chroma Key, then sample the background color with the eyedropper for an accurate start. Once applied, adjust tolerance to remove leftover color, increase softness to smooth edges, and use spill reduction to eliminate color cast on the subject. Make sure to fine-tune by cropping, scaling, or adding a feathered mask, and apply color corrections so the subject matches the new background lighting and color temperature. You finish by previewing, exporting, and addressing any issues before delivery. Play the full timeline at real-time speed to find edge artifacts or motion jitter, then export using a high bitrate and the correct color profile for your destination. If you see green spill, jagged edges, or semi-transparent clothing, first try tightening tolerance and adding a secondary mask. If that fails, relight the scene or reshoot with better separation. Make sure to test the exported file on the target platform so colors and edges hold up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.